Once upon a time, in a galaxy not so far away, was a tyrant named Nature. He then enslaved its people, the cells, to ensure the durability of its realm, the body. The cells were born and raised with one and only goal, one and only role, to reproduce. They lived to prepare for reproduction, then reproduced, and the cycle kept on going. Once they were too old to reproduce without having disabled children, they were sentenced to death. Either they had to commit suicide, and yes, some did, that's how powerful tyrant Nature was. Or the regulation forces, the police, took care of the dirty work. And indeed, this system ensured the realm to thrive. But one day came a different cell. This cell wouldn't bear the yoke of Nature anymore. It wouldn't have its life dictated by any other than itself. No one really knows why, or how. Maybe it was held by external agents, maybe it was just tougher than others. But it managed to escape the regulation forces and live its life freely. A new ideology was born. An ideology gathering cells against Nature. Cells entering rebellion. Cancer. These cells decided to free their people from slavery. They traveled from city to city to rally others to their cause. After a while, cells from every corner of the realm had heard of the rebellion, and some had the courage to stand up for the right to live too. The phenomenon quickly spread to the whole country. Cancer was generalizing. Nature tried to contain the revolt, but the regulation forces were unable to deal with all the rebels at the same time. Without external help, Nature would have no choice but to surrender. Its foreign counterparts accepted to send extra regulation agents to bring the cancerous cells back under control. These agents, called the medicines, were special forces, trained specifically to handle rebellion. But by the time these extra forces arrived, no one could contain the phenomenon anymore. Nature couldn't do anything but to give in to anarchy. The power to the people! The realm quickly collapsed and died. But unfortunately, what the cells hadn't anticipated was that they couldn't live without the realm. They were as necessary to the realm as the realm was to them. And there goes the happy ending. So much for the happily ever after. Long story short, humans sure have to stand up for their rights, but when it comes to cells, we better find new, powerful extra regulation agents to keep these guys under control.